What makes a better life at home? We spoke to more than 37,000 people, including Karen, Marcus, Mahek, Abby, and Tomohiro, to find out. We heard that when our home reflects our personality, in all our quirky and imperfect glory, we're 1.5 times more likely to feel good about it. So what makes a home right for us? We're shaped by our treasured things. In the right place, of course. Space for our work, rest, and play, and who we share it all with. We heard that sometimes these important things can also cause the most frustration at home. But when our homes are right for us, life at home can be so much better. Get to know
Abby,
Mahek,
Tomohiro desu.
Karin,
Marcus.
Get to know how to make your home your own.